I've worked quite a lot with older residents in homes in the UK, and I find this group completely delightful, completely charming group, older than the residents. The residents in the UK, 70s, 80s, and here today we had 90s and even 100, which was really rather exciting. In the UK I do lots of work with special needs children, special needs adults, which I find hugely satisfying. I love to find a way into their brains and allow them to find a different form of expression and a different way of making music which they can enjoy.
When I make music with a group, I look at their faces and see how they're reacting. I see how they're understanding what's being asked, because I know that what's being asked of them is very different to what is asked in the rest of their lives. And if I see that they're enjoying playing their instrument, or they enjoy a sound that they hear in the room, then I feel very happy.
学校でも短い曲だけど作曲やってて、長い曲をやるのは初めてだったからとても楽しかったです。
普段と違うメンバーと作ってみてで楽しかった。
楽しくて皆さんね、もういいことじゃないですか。私もここ伺ってなんか100歳以上になったみたい。すごい嬉しかった。本当にありがとう。